You guys are gonna vote and see if I should eat the lamb.
Yep, so Matilda has been through this since the beginning, and she's not sure if she should eat it. We need your help, so could you vote yes, Matilda should try it, or no, she shouldn't eat it?
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
Yeah.
So if the audience say you have to eat it, you're gonna eat it, are you gonna try it? You got to. You asked them to vote, so if they vote yes, so if we get more votes for yes, then you're gonna eat it. I don't need to be voted. I won't eat it anyway. Everybody on the internet says you should try it. So what are you gonna do?
I guess I'll try it.
The important part is that you're trying it, and if you don't like it, that's fine. You tried it. So, what is your verdict?
Sorry, thumbs.
Yeah. Why is that?
I don't know if I like it or not.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.